In today's video, I will introduce you to a new website where you can make money online just for playing video games. The first thing you need to do is go to this website called earnot.com, or you can search for that name and you can see the first result that takes you to this page, and this is the website that we are from. We use it to make money online. As you can see, there are three ways to make money online from it. A website where you can do tasks, play games, and complete surveys, but our focus for this video will be games. This is where you can earn the most money, but make sure you watch the video before going to the website so you can do the job right. Now what you want to do here is first create your free account and first go to register and then fill your information like your email and password here and check this box, or you can use one of register this other option as well, which is what the homepage looks like as this page also works on computer or smartphone. There are many games you can play and earn money. You can earn coins and turn them into cash. The more coins you have, your income is also more. Every 1,000 coins is equal to $1. The great part is that the minimum amount they have to pay you is only $1, but you can also get your income with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. They also pay with Amazon and Google Play gift cards. I'll show you the real steps to start making money. So the first question says, how do I make money? I'll show you how to do that in a minute, but just make sure you're not using a VPN because it's forbidden. Also, those accounts are not allowed. Here it says the money given to its user. They ask where it comes from. It's basically a platform designed to connect people who are looking to make money online with brands, who are looking for people to do tasks and stuff like that, which is only about 2 hours a day. That's not bad at all. And how long does it takes to withdraw your money immediately? They work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Let's talk about how you can start making money. So you want to go here where it says make money. It takes us to this page. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. As you can see, we have three ways to earn money. First, games here and then offers, also surveys. In this video, we are not talking about survey. We will only talk about these other two options. So let's start with the offer provides, but I will also show you how to make money playing games, which is very important, so make sure you watch until the end. There are two games that I recommend playing because you can easily earn a few bucks. The first Flips Labs, where you can easily earn some dollars. Do them very quickly. Each of these surveys takes a few minutes and you can get coins. When you click on one of them, click start survey, then you can answer very basic questions. For example, what is your date and birth? And when you are done, we can go ahead and click continue. And there are the suggestion and games we have to answer, but I suggest you test them yourself. The second one I recommend it here. Look at this. As you can see here, you will have different polls and offers, and you can also choose based on the device we are using. You can just click On any of them, it will show you exactly what you have to do, and it is very simple and friendly for beginners. Let's go to the most important part of the video, which is how to make money playing games. Make sure you hit like and let's get into it. Here you can see that there are a lot of games with a lot of coins, and each of them works on a platform. For example, iOS or Android, but these games that appear there are not the best games. I recommend that you click here that says offers here. It will shows us the website games. If you scroll down a bit, they have hundreds of games to choose from, and they are also updated every 24 hours. Let's say you like one, for example this one, just click on it and it will show you exactly what to do. For example, when you open the app you get some, and when you reach the next level your coin will increase. Just click on the job offer and then you can download the game. Some games will even earn you more than 18,000 coin. You can read even more details. Here is a special trick for you. Make sure you always go here where it says so. Choose the highest reward. This feature will show you the best paid games, but if you are a beginner you can consider it as default because the lower paying games are much easier, and you can even choose game space on your device, but I recommend using your smart because you can earn more. The important thing is to make sure you don't use any ad blockers while you use this site. They also have a great future. Here you can get reward for $250, which is roughly 250,000 coins. Here you can paste my promo codes that I will give you in the comments and click spin the wheel to earn free money. If you have question about any part of this site, you can click on the chat icon and start talking to customer service.